Good afternoon, children. Today we are moving to the new chapter, new unit, that is Unit 2, All Birds Cannot Fly. Moving on to the topic, see here, before the lesson, we have a pre-reading activity, that is a small story. Just listen to me, okay? Okay. A tiger was dozing under a tree. A mosquito came buzzing by. The tiger said, "Hey mosquito, go away." The mosquito said, "Why should I go away? I am not afraid of you." The tiger was angry. He hit out with his paw. The mosquito flew off. The paw struck his own cheek. It began to bleed. The mosquito buzzed away. The tiger struck with his other paw. The mosquito flew off, this time too. He hit himself. The tiger was helpless. The mosquito continued to buzz. The tiger got up and quietly walked away. The mosquito called out after him, "Don't be so proud, my friend. Everyone is great in his own way." This is written by Mrinalini Srivatsava. Okay. This is the beautiful story with a small moral unit. See what the story is telling. Don't be so proud. Everyone is great in his own way. Mosquito, even though mosquito is causing diseases like malaria to us, it is also created by God. Yes or no? Yes. Tiger is also created by God. Either it is a small creature or huge or wild animal, it is made by God. It has its own characteristics. It has its own attitude. It has its emotions. So, the mosquito is very small, but the tiger wants to hit the mosquito. But what happened? The tiger itself got hurt here by his own paw. So that please don't hurt others. You don't know what situation is undergoing and how their relationship with the God. You don't know anything on just seeing the outside. You don't judge them. Okay? So, please don't be so proud. Everyone, someday or the other day, they show their greatness. Okay? Everyone is great in his own way. The moral of the story is everyone is great in his own way. Okay, let's see the new words. Angry, bleed, great, hit, proud. Okay, read and bahad these words with spellings. This is your homework today. Tomorrow we'll see all birds cannot fly. Thank you, children.